Insights from Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich, brought to you by Instaread. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover practical strategies that can transform your financial life and set you on the path to wealth and success. Part 1. The Mindset Shift. Our journey begins with a crucial mindset shift. Ramit Sethi emphasizes that becoming rich isn't about deprivation or endless sacrifices. Instead, it's about smart, conscious decisions that align with your values and goals. The Big Wins concept highlights that the most significant impact on your financial well-being comes from focusing on a few key areas. By allocating your resources efficiently, you can maximize your financial gains. Part 2. Optimizing your financial life. To truly master your finances, you need a plan. The conscious spending plan, as outlined by Sethi, involves automating your finances and allocating your money to different buckets. Automating your finances. Learn the art of setting up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bill payments. This not only removes the hassle, but ensures consistent progress. Optimize your banking structure by utilizing different savings accounts for different goals. Create a system where money is automatically allocated to short-term expenses, long-term goals, and guilt-free spending. Part 3. Investing for the future. Now, let's dive into the world of investing, a key element in building wealth over time. Starting early, time is your greatest ally in the world of investing. Understand the power of compound interest and how starting early can significantly amplify your gains. Asset allocation. Learn the importance of diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This minimizes risk and maximizes returns. Passive investing. Discover the benefits of low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These investment vehicles offer broad market exposure and require minimal maintenance. Part 4. Negotiating your way to financial success. Negotiation is a skill that can significantly impact your financial well-being. Ramit Sethi offers practical insights on how to negotiate effectively. Salary negotiation. Whether you're starting a new job or seeking a raise, mastering the art of negotiation can lead to substantial increases in your income over time. High-value purchases. Learn how to negotiate big-ticket items, such as a car or home. By doing your research and approaching negotiations strategically, you can save thousands. Part 5. Living a rich life. The ultimate goal of financial mastery is to live a rich and fulfilling life, defined by your values and aspirations. Conscious spending. Understand the concept of spending on things that truly bring you joy and align with your values. Cut back on mindless expenses and allocate your resources to experiences that matter. Giving back. Generosity is a powerful way to enrich your life. Incorporate charitable giving into your financial plan and experience the profound impact it can have on your sense of purpose. And so, our journey through the insights of I Will Teach You to Be Rich comes to a close. Remember, financial mastery is not about perfection, but progress. By implementing these strategies and embracing a conscious, intentional approach to your finances, you can transform your relationship with money and embark on a path of lasting wealth. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. As Ramit Sethi wisely said, the biggest barrier to wealth is living like a rich person before you are one. Start today and watch your financial future unfold. Until next time, remember that your financial destiny is in your hands. Take charge and create a life of abundance. If you want to learn about the timeless lessons on wealth, greed, and happiness, then watch this video. I will see you there.